Oh, this is a scuffed piano. Oh. Going to time that thing. It's severely out of tune. Play us a chord. Yikes. That's how cops can tell if you've been sleeping in your car or not. If your window fogs up real bad like that. So make sure you crack your window if you ever sleep in your car in a Walmart parking lot. Luckily I don't have to worry about that here, because this Walmart is awesome. Now we're gonna finish Vermont. Oh yeah, good morning by the way, hello. Now we're gonna finish Vermont and then head into New Hampshire. Spend a couple days there. Just got here in Montpelier. A lot of the locals call it Montpelier because of politics and all that stuff. Haha, funny. Gonna go see the state capitol building and probably not much else because it's foggy as all outside. The place looks like a really big retirement home. None of that audio was picked up. Oh! I have depression again. Alright, so we're gonna try and go back to Greensboro, Vermont. See if we can see what we wanted to see yesterday. And then head to the next thing, if this camera allows the audio to be picked up or not. Just got here to Greensboro, Vermont. Here at the Caspian Lake. It's a beautiful view. Glad we actually found it this time because yesterday I had no idea what was going on. Need to come back here with a kayak sometime. It's beautiful. And it's a nice 70 degrees. Clear skies for the most part. Nice. Now we're gonna go to the Bar Hill Natural area. It's a few minutes up the road. So come on, guys. very nature-esque. You can barely hear cars in the distance. It's kind of like being at Bear Rocks Preserve in West Virginia. I feel like you gotta talk low in volume. Now we're on the way to see the largest operating granite quarry in the world. And online shows that they actually have a bowling alley made out of granite and it's free. So that'd be nice to check out. Just got here to the Granite Quarry, which is located on Graniteville Road in guess which city? Graniteville. The obsession, man. It's very strong here. Fun game. Jeez. I'm gonna get closer because obviously I'm not good at bowling. Looks like you're playing dodgeball. Yeah. Bowling ball, rolling sound, bowling ball, rolling sound, bowling ball. Yeah. You did it. Good job. Where are we now? Thetford. Now we're in Thetford, Vermont, doing the last meme thing on the Vermont list, and it's over here. Oh no, it's the Vermontasaurus! Ooh. It's the baby Vermontasaurus, I guess. Vermontasaurus, I do indeed wish you the best. Oh, this is a scuffed piano. Oh. Going in time, that thing. It's severely out of tune. Play us a chord. Yikes. Ah, Goo Lagoon. So pretty. So beautiful. That was a pretty good impression if I do say so myself. Nice family day at the beach. Then we can go have a picnic in the graveyard. Alright. Sounds a bit bright, huh? Right here, please. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna do this way. And all this is blurry and gross. Cool, so that concludes Vermont now. And there's still a lot of light out, so I'm gonna head into New Hampshire and play Pokemon Go until time to go to bed. And wake up in the morning, and then we'll start on New Hampshire. Wow. Camera's a little streaky on the side. Sorry about that. Found the Walmart for the night, and it's right inside New Hampshire, so we'll start with Dartmouth tomorrow. And hopefully I can stay here tonight. I've already seen a cop go through the parking lot, but I think he was chasing some truck that was being really obnoxious. That was kind of funny. I just hope he, doesn't come back, because I don't have any data or any service to see where I should go next. So this is definitely this is going to be a, can't think of the word. My snapping's getting better. This is going to be a, this is going to be risky. This is going to be risky. Got it. Good night.